I had a GAE on my right knee first, and I was up and walking within, well, I was walking out, but started becoming pain-free within 48 hours after I left. Left knee, I was up and going the next day. Okay, my name is Darlene Geriks. I'm 69 years old, and I am a patient here at the Vascular Institute with Dr. Martini. Before I had the GAE procedure, I was in pain daily. I have osteoarthritis in my knees, bone on bone. And during the cold and the hot weather, I was in extreme pain and could do not much of anything. Before the GAE procedure, I was at a 10 daily. I had to have help to get up off the floor. I wasn't able to bend down or kneel without a lot of pain and a lot of effort getting back up. Since the procedure, it's been a whole lot easier. All the girls here before the GAE procedure, they took really good care of me. They made sure I was okay. If I had any questions, they took care of the questions for me, put me at ease. Dr. Martini, I think he's fantastic. I enjoyed talking to him even when I came back for my aftercare. He's a very nice man, very good surgeon. Within, I think it was the next day, I got a phone call from Dr. Martini asking how I was. After the procedure, one or two, but not all the time. It's intermittent. It's not constant like it was before the GAE. After the GAE procedure, I was able to take the bus to and from like I normally do with a lot less pain and a lot less effort. Chase after my grandsons. I have a 3-year-old that likes to run Grammy ragged. And it's a lot easier now that I'm not having such pain in my knees. I'm able to get up off the floor and get down on the floor with him a whole lot easier. I have talked to a lot of people that I know that have having problems with their knees, and I have given them pamphlets, and I have also told them that the people here are fantastic.